Hey guys, this is Santon again back with another video, and today I'm going to unbox the wireless charger for iPhone 10 and any other Qi standard wireless devices. Basically this is the Belkin wireless charger. It is Qi compatible and the charger is not included. The price of this is 2000 rupees here in India, and I'm going to cut the seal and let's open the box. It's a very similar box as Belkin provide. The white and green theme Belkin always follows, and there are some leaflets inside the box which is useless basically. And it's a very simple device. There are some instruction how to connect it with the wall adapter along with your phone. It's very easy to process. Just connect a wall adapter and then place the mat and put a device on top of this, and your device will charge automatically. This is a mat and it's very slim, very sleek, black in color. Looks very nice. There is an indicator on the side and it's very thin. It's like a plate, and there is a rubber gasket above that. And if you place your device on top of it, if this is if that device supports the wireless charging, then it should actually charge it automatically, no issue at all. That's it guys. If you have any questions, queries, let me know in the comment sections, and do subscribe to my channel, and obviously share this video if you want to see more videos in the future. Thank you guys. I'll hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.